Did you know that cancer patients who participate in clinical trials are typically followed more closely by their healthcare providers and have access to some of the newest, most innovative cancer treatments for free? It can also give you an opportunity to help others with the same type of cancer in the future. I often recommend clinical trials to my patients regardless of the stage or type of cancer they have. It's always a good idea to ask your doctor if there are clinical trials that would be suitable for you. And in this video, I'm going to give you the most important questions to ask them if they do offer you a trial. First off, you'll want to ask them if you'll be getting better results, if not equivalent results, from what you would get from current standard treatments like chemo or radiation therapy, for example. They'll likely start by telling you what the purpose of the trial is and why the researchers believe that the treatment being studied may be better than what's currently available. You'll want to become as informed as possible. So be sure to ask how long you'll be in the trial, what kind of tests will be involved, like imaging, blood work, etc., how much extra work it will be for you, going to appointments, filling out forms, maybe even traveling further from your home, and what the potential side effects and risks of these new treatments are, and what will happen if you experience adverse effects from this treatment. I also highly recommend doing your own research on the trial if you're able to, as well as the standard forms of treatment for your type of cancer, like chemotherapy, radiation therapy, or immunotherapy, for example. The idea is to try to determine how the potential benefits and risks of the treatment you'll be trialing compare to those of standard treatments. Once you have a better idea of what's involved with standard treatments, you'll have a better idea of whether or not you'd like to commit to the clinical trial. So it would also be a good idea to ask how long you have to make up your mind about joining the trial. Once you've made an informed decision and decide to join, remember that you can leave the trial at any time, which is called withdrawing your consent, even without giving a reason or without it affecting your care. You'll still be given the best standard treatments if you withdraw from a trial. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful cancer-related tips and advice. Bye for now.